What's up, you guys? Thanks for tuning in again. Today we'll be looking at the Mondia Swiss-made watch. This one is a micro brand as well. It does have quite a unique look to it. That is why I picked it up. But first, let's do a wristwatch check. See what we got on. Today I have the Fortuna automatic. This one's a pretty cool watch. I have it on a replacement strap, but it's very nice. Okay, let's get into the watch. So it comes in a nice cardboard brown box with the nice logo on the top. Comes with the standard flap that most watch cases come in for the outer box. And this is quite a nice cushioned leather box. On the box, it's got their logo etched in at the top. It's very nicely padded. It's good stitching as well. So I've had this watch for, I would say, 2 years now, and this watch has also held up very well, because I buy my watches and I wear my watches. I don't throw them in a safe or nothing like that. So very well built watch box. I'm very impressed. The interior has got also very nice leather, not padded except for the top piece. Of course, it comes with the instruction booklet, different languages. Comes with a little cubby there. And there it is. So this one is pretty cool because I don't have very many gray face watches. So as you can see, I've worn this pretty good. So it does have a butterfly clasp. Let's put the cushion back in there. It's very well seated. All right. So let's get into this watch. So as I said, this is a micro brand. It is quite unique with the bracelet style, color, and bezel. Man, I have really worn this, haven't I? So, has a date window, obviously. It is a fully automatic, Swiss-made, rotating bezel. Very nice clicks. Let's see if you can hear that. Very nice. It's got a two-tone bracelet. It's kind of hard to see in the light, but it is two-tone. The way that they screw it onto the actual case itself is also pretty unique. It's got that kind of U shape to it. Is that white? Wow. Never noticed that. That's white. That is interesting. Alrighty. Butterfly clasp at the back. Was it 3/16 L stainless steel. Buckles, and it's got the Mondia logo on the back on the bracelet. And we have the back of the watch. So on the wheel rotor, it says Mondia on there. Water resistant. Let's see if it'll focus. Sapphire crystal glass. Stainless steel. If only it will focus. 10 ATM for water resistance. Screws down all the way around. Is a, oh, it is not a screw down crown. It does have a nice crown guard to it though, with a unique design. It's actually quite sharp. So there you have it. It's a little hard to twist. We'll say I have not gotten this cleaned in some time. There you go, back to the 12. The gray color is quite unique. This is actually the only gray watch that I have. If you go to their website, everything is actually in pounds. So you just have to convert that to USD. But there you have it. It's a little shorter video, but I don't have very much. You can't actually find this watch on their website anymore. I've looked and I cannot find it. So I don't have all the details. So, but I will say it is a very well built watch. This thing has been through a lot. Oh, looks like it's loosening up there a little bit. It needs to be tightened. I'll have to tighten that. Actually, I'm very curious. So let's take off the bracelet. Let's see what we're working with. All right, so I just ended unscrewing this. Let's take a look. Oh, that's unique. Huh. I like that. It kind of folds in there. It's got a little slot for it. That is unique. I was just curious. So. Oops. Let's screw that back. Well, anyways, guys, thanks for tuning in again. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. I appreciate all the support that you guys give me, and more videos will be coming this way. Thanks.